So right now I have nothing selected, and if I were to enable view alignment, I'm able to begin drawing working from view. This was something that was previously unavailable in Boxcutter for some reason. It was just probably an oversight or something. In fact, the computer is lagging a little bit because I'm deleting a whole bunch of files in the background, so I'll have to redraw that shape again. But yeah, I'm going through a bunch of computer issues just in the background that is just really making things miserable for me right now. So we will just try to work through them. But we're just basically just drawing shapes aligned to view. And then of course we can press D and bring up our hops helper, or our box helper, sorry, wrong helper. And then from there we can just draw shapes and just continue drawing aligned to this view. As long as we don't rotate the view, we can just keep working here. So even with circles, same situation. We could just draw some circles. We can pause it, press D, go in and set it to something like 32 so it's not so faceted. And then go ahead and apply that. And we'll just draw a few more circles. And from here, we'll draw a couple of rectangles. And maybe a square. And maybe a happy little square here. And you know what's crazy is I would actually try to merge all of these shapes and turn it into some sort of crazy gun just as an exercise. So, you know, while I'm looking at this, I was about to say, why would a person work this way? And I was about to answer my own question, because I would actually turn this into some sort of crazy ray gun and make all of these components work together, even though when I rotate the view, the question is, why would I draw it in this view instead of just looking at it from top-down view? So that part is a question for another video, but just letting you know that now if you toggle view and you have nothing selected, you are able to draw a line to view.